floating out into the lake. Oh, did you see the fish jump? Without her paddles. She's up the creek without a paddle. Oh, look at all the fish jumping out there.
Where? That one?
Yeah. We forgot to bring our rope that connects us together.
We don't have any over there.
Watch, don't go over there and we'll see if we can just watch the fish come up again.
Just don't paddle. Let it like. As soon as we said that.
I think we scared him. Oh, look, there's one jumped over there. We should have brought our fishing pole.
What are you doing there?
I don't know what they're doing. Let's get away from them though. Let's go upriver.
Okay.
Oh, look, there's another one
There's
jump.
more. Yeah, why they don't come over here?
They're not fishing either.
No, that them.
We forgot our life jackets. Again.
I know. Why do we forget that every time?
I don't know. Good thing this only thing about 3 feet deep. Just remember, stand up if you fall over. Here we are. This is First Dam on the Logan River. It's about 3 miles from our house. It's really easy to get here. It's right at the mouth of Logan Canyon. And there's actually 3 dams on Logan River. And this is the first one. And it's the closest. That's why we like to come here a lot. And it's nice. There's a park here. And there's fish in here. I see people catching them. I've fished here so many times. And every time I ever fished here, I only caught 1 fish, ever. 5 years of fishing here, I've caught 1 fish. That doesn't mean there's not fish in here, it just means I'm a crappy fisherman. But nonetheless, I like to come out and roll around and go fishing sometimes. It gives me a reason to come out and roll around. Sometimes I just realize that, you know what, I don't need a fishing pole to come out and roll around. It's good exercise and it's fun. So, I hope you enjoy coming along with us for a little ride on the boat. Do a little exercise. Stretch my arms. Usually I'm out riding my bike and that always does lots of work on my legs. But this, nice way to keep your arms working too. Look, I'll show you how deep the lake is. Woo, there's the bottom.
Yeah, but some of the part is too deep.
Some of it's really deep.
Yeah, I think it's over here somewhere. Can I play music in this one, guys?
What?
Can I play music?
Yeah. Ducks will like it. I'm going to go up by the bridge. And then I'm going to go over there by the tree in our favorite spot. There's 2 other dams up the canyon. Second dam and third dam. They really gave them really intriguing, interesting names. Like this one's called First Dam, that one's called Second Dam, and the other one's called Third Dam. And I like to go up to second dam and third dam too. They're really nice. A little bit harder to get to, a little bit harder to paddle around in. This is more of a park area down here on the first dam. Really easy to get to. There's grass all around it, shade trees and all that kind of stuff. You go up to second dam or third dam and it's more like Forest Service type area where you've got campgrounds and stuff. This is more like a city park. Look at all the baby ducks. We're going to go right through them and see if we can go up there without scaring. Oh, they're getting scared already. Look at all the little baby ducks. Oh, now they're finding this interesting. They're almost not babies anymore. You can see them still trailing around with their mother. Duck, 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 duck. Goose. Bottoms up. Then we'll come out and get into the current. Ooh, I can feel the current pulling us now. You see the fish jumping? Oh, look at all the geese over there. Should we go over there? Go check out those geese. All those kids are pushing them over here. Whoa. Kids are scaring the geese into the water. That was cool. They flew right over us. Gave us a picture. Go, geese, go.